Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. We spent a long weekend in Fort Myers Beach. My parents go there every year to Indian Creek 55 plus retirement community. We had a great time. We spent the weekend in the sunshine and we thoroughly enjoyed ourselves. My kids really enjoy the pool. The community pool was nice and quiet on several days. The kids were able to splash around. Um, as we were there at the beginning of our trip, it was pretty chilly. It was, 60 degrees, but towards the end of our trip, it got up to about 80 degrees. And again, this was in February, and it was seems to be like a great time to go on a non-holiday weekend. When we go to Fort Myers Beach, my parents, since they winter there, they go ahead and purchase a parking pass that is good for a full year. We always park at Bowditch Park, and with the parking pass, it is free to park there. Now, I think my dad pays like $60 for the year for the parking pass, but it is cheaper than parking down at um, the more resort area, which is going to cost you at least $20 a day. It is a public park, and you can see that there was the local park district employees there giving some talks to kids and adults in the area about sea life. The seashells you'll find, the common seashells. Um, They talked about the sea turtle nests. We learned many things. Like, I didn't know that depending on where the egg is in the nest, depends on whether you are not, or whether you are male or female. The eggs that are in the center of the nest are going to be female because they're hot eggs. And those on the outside portion of the nest are going to be boys because they're cool dudes and hot chicks. So I thought that was pretty funny. Um, and you can just kind of see that we're walking down the boardwalk get to the beach. We do enjoy this area because it is less busy. It is more of a local area. There are bathrooms that are very clean. They have showers if you needed to shower off. They also have rinse areas to rinse off your pails and your legs and your shoes before you get back into your car. Um, Plenty of room. We've never been crowded on this part of the beach. Now, as you walk down towards like the pier at Fort Myers Beach, you're going to notice that it's going to get busier and way more crowded. Now, we do walk down there to get our coffee in the morning as we're, finding seashells and things, but um, it's a nice walk and we enjoy our coffee. The water was cold for me, but the kids really did enjoy it. And the adults enjoy the sunny weather on the beach. We also enjoy walking along the beach, finding things in the morning that have come up with the tide as the tide is out. And you'll notice we walked around an area that has a lot of rock that while the tide was out, we could find a lot of really cool seashells and starfish and things like that. So we really enjoyed our time here at Fort Myers Beach, and we hope that you enjoy the rest of our video. As you can see, many people enjoy walking along the beach in the morning time. Dogs. You also see people riding their bikes. There are bike rental areas along the beach, and we can watch the fishing ships go out, and it's just a nice relaxing time. Also, I tried to diminish the amount of wind noise in this video, so I really apologize for the wind noise, but it was a very windy day when we were recording this. But I also wanted you to hear the ocean sounds and the birds and the waves, so I didn't want to completely cut out the sound of the video.
Gotta come out here before the tide comes back in all the way, because that will all be covered with water. It's chilly this morning, but it'll warm up today. Get to Santa. I like at 8 this morning. Fishing boats going out. Catch some seafood.
I think he's still alive. I do think he's still alive.
You gotta pick him up and throw him in the water.
So you can pick him up and throw him in.
doing it. I'm not
We can deal with
No, I don't think he is.
it.
Nope, he's not. See how he
Alright, we'll go back in.
see how he did that?
You done?
Yeah, I'm good.
Mama. Just wait a second. Oh, that's a heart. It is a heart for Valentine's Day, isn't it? Hold on. I'm trying to get it in the sunlight. Ooh, look at how pretty that is. Can you turn around and put it in front of you so I can take your picture with it?
There you go.
Look at mommy. Smile. You got it. Yeah, there you go. Perfect. Turn around. Look at mommy.
Let's go. Also, I found this really weird shell.
You found a really weird shell. Let me
Look
see.
at the top of it.
That is cool.
Conch. I'm gonna crush.
Let me see. It's like broken though, I think.
No, but it's really a conch.
Yeah, it is like a conch type snail. I forget what they're called. We'll have to look it up. What?
More minis. You got this one?
You found a mini?
Yeah, look. This one is perfect intact. This one is a bit broken, but it's pretty much intact.
That's cool. Look, babe, they're setting up for the beach, right? For the day. See them setting up? Setting up the chairs for today. And everything ready for the hotels. On the beach today. Looks like there's some decent shells, huh? There's a lot of broken ones. Ooh, there's one right here. Look at this one. He looks cool, doesn't he? Yeah. It's broken, but he looks cool.
I'll give this one to Mason. I mean, the inside is pretty cool.
Yeah. Cool, huh?
I found a fully intact one, you know.
You did?
They have that one.
Doesn't have a critter inside, does it?
Nope.
Okay. Even though my feet are numb this morning, it still hurts to step on the broken shells.
Haha. That's why you don't go barefoot. While you're down here. Oh wait, Mason's in the bathroom. He's got ice cream. Drop your phone.
What? You want me to drop my phone?
No! Betty, look at the water. It's so pretty.
Look out in the water to see if you can drop it.
These are the bathrooms down by Times Square. These are cute.